Sorry.
Oh, there we go.
We're recording.
Oh, snap. All right, bro.
We're on. Oh my god.
You gotta send me that stuff.
I gotta send it to you?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will. Okay. It's like loosening it up. Is it still red?
Yeah.
Okay. So red is a good thing here. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, see, I'm gonna keep recording and hoping that this video stays on for a while.
Sure. How long? How much back? Like
it says at 1%, but you know what? I don't ever believe it because it's sometimes a little finicky. So if I hear it beep off, then I'm taking it's dead.
Your thing is at 1%.
The battery says at 1%, but sometimes.
Start recording. All right. It's been a while since we've done one of these videos, but here we are. This is me, and this is Jacob here. Here we are, trying to have an adventure. I'd rarely come out,
But out here in the mean streets of New York, I go by the Toy King. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna go Hot Wheels hunting after.
We can't even find a sled. We came out prepared for it.
We can't find a sled.
Target, Five Below.
We checked everywhere. We checked hardware stores, Home Depot. I didn't even check Home Depot. I checked online on Home Depot.
Chat.
Well, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to use the bartering system. We're gonna have to ask around and see if
Hold on, watch, I can't see.
we're good.
Okay, correct.
We're gonna have to see if anybody will lend us their sled for a turn.
Is it here? I forgot. I keep forgetting.
It's right here, yeah. Maybe someone. Jeez Louise, this is sad. Maybe someone will lend us their sled.
Oh, sometimes there's pieces down here. Do you see anything?
I see a sled all the way over there, but I don't know if that could be some kids. Dude, this stinks, bro. Oh man.
I think I see a piece over there. You
Like,
see that piece under
yeah.
the reed? All right, let's check it out. Maybe
Like that green one?
It's the blue one underneath the snow. We'll ask if that's
Where? Where? Oh, the blue one underneath the snow. That's what I'm saying.
the green piece. Right?
All right, you know what? Dude, we could just hop it over here.
Nah.
Because we could hop and then hop over. Here,
Okay, let me see.
I'll go first because I don't want to walk all the way around, bro. I'm not trying to do all that. Are you gonna be all right? You gonna hold the camera? I'm not, dude, because I'm not. Just, yeah, hop over, you'll be all right. Oh my God. You okay? Come on, yeah, hop, put your foot up, put all your weight, throw yourself over. Oh my God.
That would have been pretty bad if I landed
Oh
there.
my gosh. Are you ready? All right, we gotta find a sled, man. Dude, you forgot your glove, man.
Hold this.
Yo, would it be worth it to give some kid 20 bucks for their sled?
That's a whole sled right there.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Here, you ready? Here, hop over. You all right?
Let's ask though.
That's just a broken piece of a sled.
Oh, there's a cardboard.
Literally, it's just like broken.
Hold on, let me ask real quick.
I think this is garbage.
Sorry, man, you're not using this one chance, right? Nope. Ah, perfect.
All right, so we got one broken half of a sled. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I know, I see another one down there. Like, I mean, yeah, kids are gonna break them left and right. I mean, jeez Louise. I mean, this is just worth it just for the ambiance. There's just a bunch of colorful sleds. Is my camera, am I still blinking red? Am I red?
Yeah, you're good.
So red means we're recording. If that thing stops recording, if you don't see it turning red, let me know. I'm gonna change it out.
Keep it. Let's see if we can find it.
Let's see if we can find a sled. Yo, all right. Attempt number 1. I'm gonna take the broken sled. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. I don't even think this thing's gonna work. I'm gonna have to use it very unconventionally. Oh my god. Ah. It's not even working, dude. Oh! Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh my god. Dude. Yo, the sled is breaking as I'm using it, man. Here, come give it a try, bro.
Be right back. I see something over there.
Yo, yeah, I see the other.
Put that on the sled. Thanks.
On the sled? Wait, what are you? Wait, there's like a giant like donut over there. That's all broken down there. All the sled pieces, that's all broken. I was gonna say, ask if we could. I know, but ask if we could borrow it. Just say we just want to go down once.
Alright, let me see. Hold on.
Ask him if we could borrow it.
Hold on.
Here, let me. You want me to go grab it?
What, that one?
Yeah, but that one's broken, Ivan.
I think it'll be different. I think it'll be different.
All right, let me go grab it. Let me go see if I grab it. Oh god, no, I'm not getting over this fence, bro. That one. Ah. Here, ask. See that lady with the donut slide over there? Ask him if we could borrow it quickly, just to go down like 2 or 3 times. We'll bring it right back.
Wait, hold on.
Just go and ask him, bro.
Let me try.
Go ask the person. I got a giant GoPro in my head. It's less intimidating if you go up. Just ask the ladies, be like, hey, my friend and I just want to go down once or twice. We don't have a sled. Just ask, just
Why
go.
don't you want to ask?
Just because I got a GoPro in my head, I'm not stopping the video. Go ask. You're polite and friendly. I can't believe this thing is broken. Oh my gosh, go put your friendly face on.
Okay.
Oh, she's not. Oh, okay. I can't believe this thing. We're gonna have to try to. No. No bueno.
Hey, let's use that. Over
The broken one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep trying the broken one.
Okay.
What'd she say?
No, these other people are using it.
Oh.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Actually, here.
We got it. How do we even get into this side of the park, bro?
You have to go around.
All the way around her?
Yeah, all the way around.
Nah. Come. I'm coming. I'm going down the hill. Oh my god. Oh gee. Is that somebody's sled? It's broken. Oh, it's still kind of usable. Ivan! I found something that's slightly usable, you know? When in Rome. Is the camera still on? Oh my god. Look, I found another one there.
I think it's broken. Does it look broken?
I mean, either way, we'll leave them here. We're not like taking them. Here. Here. All right. All right, see you later, Ivan. Ah! Let's see. Is that one broken? Oh my God. Did you make it down? Is that your guys' sled? Oh, okay. Sorry. Dude, try this one, man. Out of all of them, bro, this is pretty good. Just that one piece. One piece. Okay. All right, Ivan. I'm gonna try this. Let's see. Ooh. Oh no. Oh my God. No. We're a piece down. Ivan. Broken sled number 2.
Okay, we saw this one.
Is my camera still on?
Yeah.
Is it still red?
Yeah, it's still red.
I'm just getting all of this on video.
My phone real quick.
Oh my God.
Hey, there's that piece over there if you want. The sun's out. This is pretty good. Cat.
There's a sled over there.
We should do that hill though. We should do that.
Yeah.
Well,
Hold on. Let me see what I can scavenge. Cause there's a sled over there. There's like a blue sled over there. You wanna go see if we can? And there's another like plastic inflatable thing. I just want to get one good sled down. I don't.
You try this one.
That piece?
Yeah.
This thing's gonna stab me in the.
From there, dude. Not from there. From there, you get more.
No, bro. Oh my God! It works. It does. Give me a second. Let me come down. I can't believe we're using a broken sled, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go from up there. Oh my God. Oh. Yo, can I give these to you? The goggles? I shouldn't be using my glasses. What happened? Oh my God, I gotta catch it. Come here. I had to like catch our one piece, bro. Oh my God.
You look a little red there.
Do I?
Yeah, you look a little red there. Luke was trying to go down the slide. Go down the huge hill.
I'm gonna throw this over here.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Your slide's leaving, by the way.
I know. Oh my God, our one piece of a broken sled that we found. We had to scavenge that thing. Am I still on red? Am I still red?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. All right. Let's see.
You should go all the way up there. Wait, so you see how it's already sliding? Why don't you go all the way over there to that altitude?
That's what I'm saying. That's what all right.
You don't think over there might be there?
Oh, I'm believe me.
Alright, chat.
Those are nice.
Well, your battery died.
Yeah, but I have like 3 of them, so 1 out of the 2 is down. We're on the second battery. All right, I'm gonna do that extreme hill over there.
Which one?
The big rocky one. I'm gonna see.
You know.
I'm gonna do it. You don't have to. You can sit and watch.
Are you not afraid of dying?
I don't, like, it's not that high. You fall. I mean, I don't know. I gotta try it, bro. I need to try it. I need to try it for my peace of mind.
Jacob is crazy. Okay, wait. Hey, let me get a shot of you going down this hill.
Okay.
And then, we're like below.
Oh, the coffee is gone. I need, look. All right. Can you, all right. What? This one's good. All right, ready? Get out of my way! What's wrong with you? Oh. Ah. Whew. Oh. Yo, you know what I could do? If the snow is still here this weekend, I could grab like a pool floaty or something from that store that's closing. Yeah. And then we use that. All right, I gotta make an attempt. I gotta go down that hill down there. I gotta try it. You wanna come?
I'll stay here then.
You gonna stay there?
Yeah.
All right, man.
If you wanna move together? I mean, we could. You wanna move together?
You wanna try it?
I'm not gonna try it. You could try it. Which one though? Which one? Which one?
The big rocky one down there.
Oh, okay, but like this.
I'm gonna go down that rock. I'm gonna try to go over them. Do you wanna watch my stuff?
Sure.
And
Dude, don't kill yourself, bro.
I'll try not to. If I do, it was good knowing you. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. I need a better slide. Oh, that kid's down. Is that your sled there? That one? Can I borrow it just to get one video just going down the mountain? If that's okay?
It's not my sled.
Oh.
Don't question if it's equal snow.
I'm sorry? Oh. Okay. Oh, all right. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Ow. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh shoot! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh my God!
First of all, give me a little stop again. I am gonna make it massive.
Oh shoot! Oh! This thing broke, man. Okay. Oh! Can I try your board to go down just once?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get a good video on this. I found this thing in like... Oh shoot. I'm gonna try. Let's see. See. Thank you. Woo. Oh my God. Whew. Skateboard with no wheels. 10 out of 10. Yo, great idea, by the way.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Yeah. Wax it up. You gotta put wax first.
Oh, that's what you do?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. All right. Let's try round two. Oh! Oh! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's gone. That's done for. Jeez. Whew. Okay. Let's try. We're going down. Oh! 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 Our sled is gone. That thing is gone. Camera's probably all out of focus too. Whew. Oh! My sled is gone. That Brody's gone. Oh. That thing is cooked. Ooh. Let's try this thing. Let's see. Let's see. Let's try this. See if we can go down. Oh, I don't even. So there's a rock right there, and it throws me off. And oh my God, this is our sled. It's gone. That thing's gone. Oh my God. Oh shoot. Oh. Is this yours? Here you go. No problem.
Why is the fall so tremendous?
You know what's funny? If you go down this one, the rock throws you up and off.
Oh my God.
It destroyed. I've been trying to find like whatever sleds that are broken and Kid.
Paul, you can do it. Paul, you can just sit down.
Can I try it quickly? I want to try going down.
It's not mine.
All right. Oh my God. Let's see. Ooh. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea whose that is. I was gonna try to inflate it, but it might be broken. I didn't. I left it. I don't think it belongs to anybody.
Oh yeah, that board? That's our homies up there.
No, that one. Right. That thing, no, I know this is your guys's. Oh my God. Oh. Whose board does this belong to? Thank you. Thank you. Whew. Okay. You know, destroyed. The rocks destroyed it.
We should go over there then.
Okay. Let's take this and go. So, this would have been a good idea as well. And I could have done this.
You're red now, man. You're red.
The kids, the college kids over there, they took skateboards without the wheels and put wax at the bottom, and they're going down like it's a snowboard.
Yeah, I saw that.
10 out of 10, man. I tried it. I fell right off the board.
No way. Did you get on the rock though? I didn't see.
Yeah, so I got on the rock, but it cracked the rest of the...
Oh yeah, yeah.
So, yo, we got a piece of cardboard. Anything we could use, man. Cardboard. Take it. Take it, take it. Oh my God.
You think we can get around?
Yeah.
You wanna... No, it's actually...
No, let's get around. Let's get around.
You and everybody have together for the last run. Last run.
Okay. What do we want to do after this is the real question.
You can get ramen.
Ramen? Sounds more expensive, Tivo.
I'm telling you, that looks deep.
Yo, there's a whole bunch of cardboard, bro. You see how people just provide for us, bro? We got cardboard, bro. We got everything we need. I'm dumping this one.
Oh wow.
We could have used a bin.
Is that more inclined or is that just...
Yeah, no, it's definitely more inclined. I got a headache.
Yeah, me too. My ears
Slightly.
hurt. My ears hurt.
I'm just like 100 degrees right now. Oh, you want to set our stuff here?
Yeah.
All right. Definitely think we should get some water after this.
Over there though.
Over there?
Yeah. But this is cool, right?
We can't. Yeah, we could go down right by this tree.
Yeah, right here, yeah.
Oh, I thought that was something.
That's what I want. In the video.
All right.
What? You would never sit.
Sorry.
Oh,
bring in those 3 slides.
Okay. I got this thing. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna give this thing a whirl. Let's see if it works.
Alright. What are you gonna use?
I'm using this random thing I found, bro.
Alright, let me know if you can go both on it, alright?
Alright. Oh, screwed. Let's try this. Let's see it. Oh. This thing does not work. Oh, screw it. Are you using this?
No, it's not mine.
I'm gonna borrow it. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Yo, let's see. Dude, this might work. I know, but this one. Let's give it a try. Come on, come on, work. Work! Please, work for me! Oh, screw it. Ah, going! You okay? Sorry. This thing ain't even worth carrying back up the hill. I'm done. Yeah, I'm coming.
You know what? A lot of that's because you weren't moving. If you walk, it makes it closer.
The snow beat me up.
Oh, crap. Dude, wait, let's get on this side. You and me.
I think we're gonna fit on that.
Yeah, we can. Let me just put on my gloves and we'll give it a shot.
I'll follow right behind you on this one. Go
No,
by.
dude, come on, come on. Come on, bro, let's do it, let's do it. We're already here, we might as well do it.
All right, let's try it.
You just put these on correctly.
Wait. Maybe we could borrow one of their slides. You wanna go ask?
Which one? Alright.
I don't know, one of the older kids.
Nah, dude, we could just use this one.
I think you're antisocial. I think you don't want to ask anybody.
Bro, I already asked.
Oh, I've been asking everybody. That's how I got to borrow I borrowed their skateboards. They're like, oh yeah, go down. I borrowed it not once but twice. Yeah.
How are your gloves doing? How are your hands doing?
Oh, they're mighty warm. Are yours
really?
cold?
Are you
Yeah.
serious?
Yeah.
Wait, are you serious?
I'm being so for
I gotta
real.
get one of those then, because these kind of suck.
I'm so hot.
Yeah. No, I agree. Yeah, those.
I'm on fire.
Come on, bro. Let's just use it one time.
All right. Let's try.
Let me just, you know.
Let's go down.
Yeah. Let me just.
You ready?
Wait, let me just fix this. Okay.
Oh my gosh, that sled is gone.
Wait, if we.
Yo, I see everybody doing these crazy jumps, man. I'm like,
do you want to do the hill?
we could do it right here.
What?
We could go right down here.
You know, I mean, like up that.
Yeah.
The ramp.
I'm trying to get. Oh, but I'm trying to get it so fast that we go all the way up and over.
Let's do it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's get the sled ready. Alright, bro, hold this. Alright, ready? I'm really excited. Alright, hopefully, if we jump this hill, we're not gonna get hurt. Alright, man.
Oh no, if we jump this hill on that thing, we're cooked. We're totally done for. But it'll be so worth it. Dude, I'm sorry, we're not fitting on that, man. I'm too big for this. I'm not gonna, there's no getting on this thing. Go! You gotta go! Here, take the thing. I feel awkward. Here's your camera. Right, come on. Go, jeez. Grab the legs. All right, go. Push the slide. Dude.
Wait, you gotta get.
Where am I supposed to get on this thing? All right. I'm gonna hold from the side, okay? All right, start going. Hold for the back. This isn't, oh my God, this is not working, dude. Oh.
One more shot.
Okay. I think what we need to do is I need to be sideways. Okay. And you're facing the back, okay? Oh my gosh! You're going without me. All right, ready? Okay. Go.
Okay.
This is not working. I'm sliding on your jacket, bro.
I fell off.
All right. I'll see you later. Oh my God!
Let me get out.
No, bro, this thing is broken. No. Oh, sorry, boss.
I have an idea. What
if you get enough momentum, you'll go right over the hill.
That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah?
I have an idea. What if I get on top of you?
No, I don't think this way.
Oh no, what if I just hold
maybe like this. All right, I'll see ya. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Oh my God!
I hit that.
Oh my God! Oh jeez! Oh, you good?
Is the GoPro on?
Yeah.
Can you sled race?
So you know what's funny? My friend and I, we were looking for sleds to buy, and we just found whatever we could in this vicinity.
Mine just goes to that.
Maybe. Oh, that thing's gone. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Yo, but what I'm saying is, bro, yo, take one of these, go on your stomach and try it.
And then I get on top of you. Can I get on top of you though?
You're gonna get on top of my back?
Yeah.
I don't think this is gonna work, bro.
This is fun. Yeah. Wait, let's get out the way though.
We need a two-person one.
Wait, we could like start here. and then go down.
All right. We're gonna have to go at the same time, okay?
I'll go on your back. I'll go on your back.
You're gonna go on my back.
You want to go on my back?
No, I'm not going on your back. You can go on my back.
Okay, okay. Do you want to film though? Cause like
I'm filming the whole thing right now.
Did he hit you badly?
Wait, hold up.
Yeah, but I'm alright.
No, but where did he hit you?
All right, so get on your back and then.
I didn't see it happen.
I saw the whole thing.
What happened? Like the guy, he was on me and
Okay, I don't. We gotta figure this out, bro.
No. I'll get on your.
You're gonna get on my back.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go right here then. Let's start right here. All right. Okay. Okay, ready?
Wait.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Yo, don't break my back, please.
No. Wait. Hold this.
What am I holding?
Hold this.
I'm holding this.
Yeah. And get
This is gonna be an interesting.
Get both of us, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hold it. Okay.
Give it to me.
Okay,
Give it to me.
I'm here.
I'm holding
Okay.
it. Oh my god. Okay.
Don't go.
Okay. I'm not going. Is this gonna even work? This is like we're doing this for science, and we got a 2-person board. We could try. Yo, don't. Yo, if you slide on top of me. Oh, down. Get your legs off me. There you go. Yo, this is like slightly working. I'm kicking you off me. I'm freezing. I got the whole thing on video. Yeah.
Dude, I think I might have had snow in my mouth the whole time.
Dude, got snow on my neck. Literally everywhere you can imagine, there's snow on me right now. My glasses, everything. Oh my God. Whew. Okay. Jeez Louise. All right, you want to try a 2-person one?
Yeah, sure. Let's do a 2-person one.
All right, let's see if we can borrow a 2-person one from someone. All right, let's go back and grab our bags.
Oh, yeah,
All right, let's watch out then. Let's see.
we left it there.
Yo. This is a big ass. Can my friend and I take one turn going down the slide, down the hill on your board? Yeah. We've been like trying to find whatever sleds we can.
All right, go for it.
We'll meet you up there though. Wait, we will go with you up there. So we can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus Christ! Oh! Go! Alright, see?
Oh, you see the moon, dude?
Where? Oh yeah, I see the moon.
We're just looking at the moon.
Okay. Sorry. All right, let's go down this one.
I don't have my thing doesn't have space anymore.
Yeah, I got my GoPro.
No, but this is good. This is different.
What do you mean?
Because I get an angle of both of us, not just like the view.
Are you ready?
Wait.
Get your phone ready.
Dude, I don't have space.
Oh, bro.
You're fine.
I'm not taking my phone out. My phone's gonna get soaked. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, man. We appreciate it.
Well,
Just one try. Thank you.
okay, we're gonna do one try.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Oh crap.
Wait, dude, let me go.
No waiting. We're coming down. Excuse me. Woo! You ready? Please bring it back. I got that all on video. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. All right, let's get the board back.
All right, bring our board back. Oh God, that was so worth it. Look at our time rocks. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I tried to take my phone out. My phone would have gone flying. Oh. Is this yours?
Oh yeah, thank you.
No problem. Oh my God. Where the kids that like this to us? Oh. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Whew. Oh, he's still down the hill. Ivan! Yo, we did it! You wanna try again? You wanna go again? Let's ask somebody.
Yo, go down on the skateboard.
You want us to try on the skateboard? I'll try it. You wanna try?
Fuck them.
No cursing.
You got that tray flip?
You got a tray flip.
Let's see that tray flip.
Oh no, I'm sitting on my butt on this thing.
For sure.
Oh God.
No, jump onto your butt.
Let's see. Oh, fudge. Nah, I'm gonna have to stand on this thing. I gotta try standing.
Let's see. I believe in you.
Oh my God.
I'll go slow.
Oh. Oh my God. Skateboard, 10 out of 10 sled.
Alright, let's see.
I'm going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, going through the sky. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh! Oh! Oh, snap! Oh! Oh, shoot! Yo, look what I found! There's a whole bunch of just broken sleds, dude. All right, I'm gonna try with this one.
Alright.
You gotta turn. Don't leave my bag, bro. Don't leave that bad boy unattended. All right. Oh, I'm losing traction. Oh my God. Oh! Jesus. All right, I found us 2 butt scooters. So,
How was it?
it was crazy. It was fun.
This guy did a whole hill.
You want this one? I'll wait for
You found more?
I found it's a whole valley of just broken ones.
I'm gonna take that one actually. You know what would be nice if both of us could go on it at the same time?
I know.
Alright, here I go, dude.
All right, have fun.
Yo, you got my.
I got all your stuff.
Wait, okay, well, yeah.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
Okay, wait. Actually,
I'm covered up. Yeah.
let me just take my stuff just in case.
You want to take it with you? Okay. Am I still on red?
Yeah, you're good. Okay. How long do you think you might last?
I'm gonna give it like an hour, half hour. Then I'll change the battery.
So, I'm gonna go because I haven't gone yet. So.
Go. I'll wait for you.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll wait for you. I'm trying to see if.
Oh my god. Oh, where are you going?
Wait, why are you using that one? Use this one.
Which one? Oh, because this one. I haven't tried this one yet.
All right, have fun.
Alright, dude. Stupid stuff.
May the force be with you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's good.
You got it.
It's just north. Yeah, it's north. So we call it north. What would you call it?
All right, I'm gonna go down. Was it good? I'll see ya. Ooh! Oh shoot. Alright, I'm gonna retry. Yo, if I had the Captain America shield, bro, I could just use that and just slide down. Dude. You know Captain America shield? I could have just like popped that down and used it.
Dude, let's go down together.
What? Alright, I'll see you later. Oh! Bye, Ivan. Ah! Yeah, you wanna? Yo, I'm trying to borrow a sled from like one of these older kids.
Say hi to the camera, bro.
Yo, my thing's all crooked, man.
Would you do this probably like
pro?
Yeah.
Down a mountain? Oh, absolutely.
Snow tubing? Oh,
I've done it before.
It's actually a thing.
Yeah, I've
right?
done
it's
it
a sport,
before.
but like
Yeah.
it's in an arena. And actually, it's an Olympic sport, winter sport. If you remember.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, we should give.
I like the containers.
We should give it a shot. We should give it a shot.